Guys, today I'm working on this 2013 Honda Pilot for a customer, and as you can see here, I'll be replacing the passenger side fog lamp that is broken here. And I see a lot of videos on YouTube showing a very complicated way of doing this. They're having to take off the whole bumper or part of the bumper to get access to that fog lamp from the inside, and they take off the wheel splash guard here. That's not necessary. I'm going to show you a very easy way of replacing this whole assembly here without having to do any of that. Now, all you have to do is access this fog lamp from the top here. Let me see, can I get it there? As you can see, that's the fog lamp assembly right there. Now, to access that, it's very easy. All you have to do is remove this radiator overflow reservoir by lifting it up, setting it to the side. Then you want to come here, remove this bracket here for the power steering reservoir. It has two 10mm bolts holding it on. Remove those two 10mm bolts, slide that to the side, and what we're trying to do is get to access this windshield washer fluid reservoir tank. And all that's holding it on is it's a 10mm bolt. Can't see it. There's two 10mm bolts holding it. One here and one down. I don't know if you see access. One right there. And it's a plastic retainer right here on the side. So those have to be removed. But first we want to remove this water pump. And that's easy as well. Let me show you how easy that is. All you have to do is reach down here, push it forward like so, and then pull it up and move it out the way just like that. And once you get those two 10mm bolts removed and this little plastic clip here, then that tank will come right out. And then I'll show you how you'll have easy access to that fog lamp. All right, guys, so I decided not to remove the the washer fluid reservoir all the way. I just unbolted it and just pushed it forward a little bit. And as you can see, there's the fog lamp assembly there. And so the tools that you're going to need to remove that is just a stubby Phillips head screwdriver, like so. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reach my hand down in there and take out those. There's a Phillips head screw there and one up top there. And all you have to do is first unclip down a little deep. Unclip the bulb right there. Remove that clip of the harness and slide it down and install the new one. I'll show you what that looks like. Now I'm finished installing that new fog lamp. There it is. It took me about 6 minutes to get it done. A quick tip: if you have a little small ratchet Phillips screwdriver or ratchet wrench that you can use to get that very bottom screw there, that would be even better. But like I said, this is an easy way of changing out that fog lamp. Or if you have a blown bulb, this is an easy way to access it without removing the bumper. So that's the new the fog lamp assembly installed. And all you have to do is do the reverse and putting everything back together. So that's a quick look at it installed. The new one looks good. So I appreciate all you guys watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.